Hello everyone. I'm going to describe the final activity that's a part of journal number 12, the Passion, Purpose, Place, and Calling assignment. This represents the final for the course, so we're really hoping to help you draw upon everything you've learned in the course to complete this assignment. You can see that's a 12-point assignment. So it's something that we're looking for a lot more detail, a lot more information from you than other assignments have asked for. Here on the second page of the journal, you can see that the main idea here is to describe in detail the elements making up your passion, purpose, and place. And that's drawing from the journal entries you've done in the class, wise wandering maps, informational interviewing, the assessments we took in the class, anything you wrote about reading the book, Zookeeper's Secret. All of that we want to bring together into this assignment. There's some general information about passion, purpose, and place. We also spent time today in class in week 12 talking about this and how it applies to zookeepers. The first step is to fill in the contents for passion, purpose, and place. We have many questions here that you've seen throughout your journals through the semester, and you can look back at those, you can reflect on those again, and we want you to just write in detail. You also watched the video of Marcus Buckingham, and he talked about be detailed about your strengths, and we're looking for that kind of detail. If you want to help people, talk about what kind of people. How do you want to help those people? We need that kind of detail here, and this is a place to describe it. So here's where you describe passion. Here's where you would describe purpose. Here's where you would describe place. Feel free to type as much as you need to. We're looking for more than just a bullet pointed list here. We want a descriptive sentences. If putting a list including sentences helps you, that's great. Step 2 will be to look through your response on those 3 areas for themes. What is a theme that you're seeing in passion, and describe that. What theme do you see in your purpose section, and what theme in the place section? The next 2 steps, step 3 and 4, will be completed within the graphic, this Google drawing. And step 3 will be to size the circles by importance. So if passion is really a very important area for you, you'll make that circle bigger. If purpose is more significant for you, you'll make that circle bigger. If place isn't as important, you're willing to just go wherever and make that place work. Maybe it's smaller for you. So size the circles appropriately. And secondly, put the pictures together by overlapping those circles, how they relate to each other. If your passion and your purpose are very much in line with each other, you'll want those to overlap more. If they're disconnected, if your passion and purpose don't match what your place is, maybe that's a little bit disconnected here. To enter the Google drawing, you just double click into it and it'll open on your screen. When you click on any of the elements, so for sizing your circle in step 3, you can click on the element, make it bigger. And for step 4, you would make those overlap. I'll do the same thing there, moving place to overlap some more. So this is for you to just graphically show how these areas relate to each other for you. And you can see that this pink and green box is how do your passion and purpose relate. You're going to describe that in this box. And you'll do the same in these other boxes to describe how these overlap and how they relate to each other. The final step would be to describe the area that overlaps all 3 circles. Sometimes one circle will be disconnected, but we still want a description here. So it's the summary of everything, your passion, purpose, place, summary. And this should represent the area where all 3 circles overlap. What does that mean to you? What is it showing? What themes are you drawing from it? And provide that summary here. So that's what we're looking for in this assignment. We know it will take some additional time, and you have until next week's class to complete this. You really need to have this completed for the class in week 13, and that's when it will become due. So we look forward to looking at your calling map and your reflections on passion, purpose, place. Enjoy doing this assignment, and we'll look forward to reading about it. Thank you.